Hello and welcome to numerical series of advanced electrical machine. And today our numerical problem is determine approximately the maximum torque that the motor can develop when it is connected to 230 volt 50 hertz supply. It is given that the exciting winding has 1500 turns. The inductance of the winding is in D axis, position is 0.8 when the rotor is in quadrature axis position, the inductance is 0.4. First of all, solution. Inductance of exciting winding when the motor is in D axis position, then LQ equal to 0.8 Henry. When the motor is in Q axis, then LQ equal to 0.4 Henry. We know phi max equal to E upon 4.44 F N, that is B upon 4.44 Fn. The value of B is already given, 230 volt, 4.44 frequency 50, and that is turns is 1500. By calculating this, we can get 0.00069 Weber. And SQ equal to N square upon LQ. Put the value of N and LQ, we can get SQ. Similarly, SD, put N square upon LD. Put the value of N and value of LD, we can get SD. And then the value of maximum torque that the motor can develop, that is TE maximum torque equal to 1 by 8 phi max square SQ minus ST. Put the value of phi max, we have already find, and value of SQ and ST we had find above. The value of SQ and ST, the value of SQ is this and value of ST is this. Put all this value and simplify, we can get maximum torque equal to 0.1677 Newton meter.